Welcome back. Now people will have transport department facilities at the tip of their fingers. The SMS complaint service will be functional from Friday. You just have to dial 51969 and register your complaint against bus driver or conductors.
Complaints regarding violations of Motor Vehicle Act, maybe rash and negligent driving, maybe driving, what do you call that, the passengers, basically the complaints of passengers traveling in public transport system. The major this one is seats occupied by unauthorized person, driver not issuing tickets, conductor behaving rough, all these type of things. Overcharging also. Regarding all public transport, that is your buses, taxis, any vehicle you can give.
Motorcycle pilots?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Motorcycle
Pilots, auto rickshaws, yes. Tax exemption that has been granted by government. If you see it, it is roughly around 10 to 11 crores, something between 10 to 11 crores. Yeah. And if you consider non-registration of the goods vehicle and all, it could also amount to another about 1 or 2 crores. Because the goods vehicle are not getting registered, no? The trucks, mining trucks particularly. Last year we had 72,000 vehicles added. Now we have another 1 month and 10 days. But I believe that it would be restricted to 65,000, something between 65 to 66,000.
MLA Glen Ticklo's younger brother Esteve Ticklo died in a self-accident at Porvorim in the wee hours of Thursday. Esteve Ticklo was driving his four-wheeler and banged against rocky area near Orient Hotel. He died on the spot. Funeral will be held on Saturday at his Sukur residence.
Aldona MLA Glen Ticklo's younger brother Esteve Ticklo died in an accident at Porvorim. Esteve was aged 46 years. Esteve was driving from Mapsa to Panji. He met with an accident at around 2:30 on Thursday wee hours. His Maruti Wagoner banged against rocky area near Orient Hotel and Esteve died on the spot. Funeral and final rites will be held on Saturday at his residence at Karewado, Sukur. Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
India's leading ultra-marathoner Vishwas Bamburkar will be the running icon for Sunday's Nautica Goa beach run. Bamburkar will interact with the running enthusiasts on the eve of the half marathon. The event, organized by Vasco Sports Club, will be India's first timed half marathon.
We have also this year a very special, I would call him an elite marathoner. His name is Mr. Vishwas Bamburkar. He's an Indian, of course, and he's the only one who has participated in the cross-country Brazilian run, which spans about 216 kilometers. So we are proud that he'll be coming here as our running icon, and he'll be having an interactive session on the 22nd at Kolwa.
40-year-old Vishwas Bamburkar from Gujarat has the distinction of being the first Indian to take part and complete the grueling 217-kilometer Brazil 135 Ultra Marathon. One of the leading lights from the field of running long distances, way beyond the standard half or full marathons, Bamburkar gets pleasure from the me time of running. The adventure sports entrepreneur will be an attraction at the Nautica Goa beach run and could change the lives of many Goan runners who come in contact with him. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.